Hi, I am Esra, and today I will present my work focusing on unconscious perception and a related phenomenon called numbtouch. Numbtouch patients who have somatosensory lesions cannot detect presence of a stimulus, however, they can still correctly localize them. It has been discussed whether a similar phenomenon could be observed also in healthy subjects. A previous study showed that localization of masked vibrotactile stimuli depended on its detection. Here, in this experiment, in our study, we wanted to understand whether subjects could localize near threshold or weak electrical stimulus without detecting them. So a similar numbtouch phenomenon could be observed or not. And also we wanted to ask whether early activity in posterior areas could explain numbtouch. In order to answer these questions, we did two experiments, one behavioral and one EEG experiment. In these experiments, we either stimulated the index or the middle finger of the left hand, and in every trial, we asked subjects whether they felt the stimulation or not, and we also asked them in which finger there was a stimulation. After doing these experiments, we look at the behavioral results. Here, you see the correct localization performance for detected and missed trials in the experiments across increasing stimulus intensities from subthreshold, which was almost never perceived, versus suprathreshold intensities. And we found that correct localization of missed trials were possible in this experiment. This was significantly above chance level here. And also, we found that stimulus intensity had a direct effect on correct localization rate. And also in our modeling and mediation analysis, we replicated or we confirmed this result, and which means that localization is not dependent on detection as it was previously suggested. After doing this behavioral experiment, we look at the early component of somatosensory evoked potentials, which was P50 in our case, for somatosensory detection and localization. If we look at here, in the lower panel here, we observed that we checked in sensory data when subjects missed but still correctly localized versus when they missed and they couldn't localize the signal, we observed that there was a significant difference in the P50 activity in frontal central electrodes and in parietal electrodes. Then, in source data, while running source reconstruction analysis, we checked whether this P50 difference came from superior parietal areas in the brain, which are known to be responsible for stimulus localization. And we found the answer as yes. So we found that when subjects missed but still correctly localized the signals compared to when they missed and couldn't localize it at all, there was a significant difference in this early component here. So to sum up, what we find was that we found that localization of a weak electrical stimulus is possible in the absence of its detection, and early neural activity in superior parietal cortex differs between correct compared to incorrect localization of missed stimuli. If you want to hear more about the study, please contact me during the poster session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.